I want to use YouTube to grow my business, but I don't want to be trapped on the social media hamster wheel of doom. Don't worry, you don't have to feel trapped to grow your business with YouTube. What do you mean? Well, what's amazing is you can grow leads and sales with YouTube without feeling stuck. In fact, I like to talk about how you can take a vacation from YouTube and still make money and generate sales for days, weeks, months, or even years later. But can that work for me even if I don't have thousands of followers? Sure does, because our technique focuses on quality content and you don't need a huge following. But you don't have to post new content constantly? Nope. But isn't it true you have to know every algorithm in existence to be successful? False. But don't you have to train tiny hamsters in order to have them do all the tasks that are associated with making a YouTube channel? No, silly, you don't have to do any of that. In fact, you can be successful on YouTube even if your only experience with hamsters is with the wheel. Well, how do I get started? All you have to do is click the link below, unless, of course, you want to keep dealing with the hamster wheel of doom.